Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the new Firefox design. Let's go. So first off, let's do about semicolon config, accept the risk. What we'll do is compact, browser compact mode show. You want to change that to true. The next thing we'll do, Firefox UI fix. What we'll do is do that. Then what you want to do is click on this GitHub repository right here. Then what you want to do is click on code and download the zip and save it. Next things first, you want to open up the file. And what you want to do is extract using your preferred extraction tool. So we're going to the folder, go in there, and yeah. Next thing we'll do, you want to do about semicolon support. Then what you do right here where it says profile pick folder, you want to click on that. Then what you do, you want to add a new folder and you want to call it Chrome. No capitals or anything like that. What you would do is go into the folder of the file you downloaded. What you want to do, you want to put the user.js into here, into the nightly folder. Then what you want to do is put the user.chrome.css into the Chrome folder. As simple as that. Then what you do is click on clear start cache. It'll restart Firefox for you, and then you've got this. And if you want to get your compact mode will be right there for you. Thanks for watching. Don't subscribe. It's just a little tutorial, cool and stuff. But that's going to be it for today. Goodbye.